Alright, this is super last minute. I'm already cooking food right now. But I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what I'm cooking and how I eat. Because I live off campus. I'm a third year transfer. So I don't live in dorms. I don't get swipes. I cook my own food. So for those of you who do struggle with that, whether it's money or finding out really what's healthy to eat, I'm going to show you guys what I do. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to incorporate some vegetables, fruit, protein, carbs, whatever it is. This is a lunch. It is currently 1:30 p.m. and I'll make a lot of food. Usually the way I do it, it conserves a lot of time, is I'll cook 3 to 4 servings worth of food because I'll eat 2 servings in a meal. So right now I'll cook my lunch, but I'll also be cooking my dinner. And whatever I don't eat, I save, I put in a bin, I throw it in the fridge. So tonight, when I come home from the gym, when I come home from training, I have food to eat when I get here, which is ideal, it's practical. So yeah, and then if I am still hungry at night, I'll cook something like a small little meal, honestly sometimes a big meal, and I just go from there. So yeah, I'm gonna set up the tripod, I'll show you guys what I'm cooking right now and we'll get to it. So this is just some authentic Indian rice. Just some Jenny ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat. It's all natural. I like to keep my things like hormone free, steroid free. And I just cut it up here. That's it right there. So whatever I don't eat, I save and I put in these little Tupperware bins over here. It says garlic salt is the best seasoning on anything. So we put in some garlic salt.
NANI?! お前は。
That's a whole lot of fucking turkey, man. This is good stuff. I can't express it enough.
We made it. Yeah. She said she working for Walgreens, but not in the store, at the head office. The head was so good, it makes sense why you work at the head office. In 2007, I sat in the lobby of Motown and waited. Now I walk into the building and go off like, nigga, we made it. When I walk through these halls, man, this beat should be playing. I just came to make sure you not missing no payments. Not turning shit down while I issue my statement. It needed a moment of silence. Nigga, we made it. You fly out your lady, I fly out my latest. Bitches can't front on a kid anymore, man, they know what my name is.